Hey guys, just want to give you a quick little tour of using the discussion board on MyOpenMath. It's pretty straightforward, but just in case there's any questions, I'll give you a quick demo. You can get to the discussion board in two places. First thing you can do is just go down to the discussion board's block down here, and then you can open it up and you'll see which ones are currently available. It also has the prompt in here already. The second place you can get to these is just by clicking on the calendar, and then you can just click into the discussion board directly. When you go in, you'll see a few things. You can click on this view forum description, and then this will be the prompt for that particular post, so make sure you read through that. These are all set up so that you cannot see other people's prompts until you post for the first time. That's because some of these will be actually working through and solving problems. So for example, this is my alter ego here, a different student. In this case, I've already posted once, so it will allow me, actually, I guess I have not posted yet. So it says this post is blocked. In the forum, you must post your own thread before you can read those posted by others. So what I need to do is I need to add a new thread. I'm going to say like discussion 1, and then this is my response. So I would put in my response to this up here. I don't physically have to type this as my response, of course, but you just type in your thread, and then you should be able to post it. I think at this point, yep, now you can see other people's threads. And then you should be able to go in and reply to them as well. So, for example, if I want to give some encouraging words to my other students, you can do that. Or if you're doing one that you actually have to work a problem and you think a student does a nice job, you can go through and let them know. Or if you want to ask them some questions on how they knew how to do a particular kind of problem. This is designed to be a little more interactive. You don't have to reply, but you certainly are allowed to. One other thing I want to show to you is that there's also a discussion forum, so you can always message me directly and ask about homework problems, but you can also go in here and add a new thread, or you can post into this directly from one of your homework assignments. So I'll also monitor these, but this is kind of a good way to post a question that another student might be able to answer. And it's particularly helpful if there's a question that a lot of people have, and that way I don't have to answer it individually every time. People can just look into the thread. So this is another place that you can say, something like this, homework 1, I'm not sure how to graph the parabolas. Something like that. And then other people can come and they can post on your thread as well. I think you can also do this directly from the homework. So if you get stuck on a problem, so let's say you don't know how to do this problem, you get stuck on it, you can either message the instructor or you can post to the forum, and this will actually copy the forum, and you can say something like this. And this will allow not only me to reply, but students can reply as well. So it's kind of a nice tool because sometimes another student might have a way of explaining it that is helpful, or they can get to it before I check my messages for that day, so you can get a response a little bit quicker. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. I think it's pretty straightforward, but again, I'm always here to help.